everyone, it's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, and today I am going to be doing a hairstyle. Alright, it's going to be a crochet hairstyle without using the cornrows or cornrows, whatever you call it. Alright, so right now my hair, it's all stretched out because I had it braided back in some big braids. So right now I'm just going to go in, comb it out a little bit more, and then I'm going to be, because I'm going to be putting on the crochet braid on it, I'm just going to use some contour leave-in condition in it, since I'm not going to be seeing my hair for a couple days. All right, I see my mother have some coconut oil here, so just a little bit, and then I'm going to try to get some on the ends, and then after I've parted, then I'm going to try to put some in the roots, or on the root there, down on the scalp. This is the braid that I'm going to be using and this is the style I'm going to try to do. However, I have another style in mind, so if this style does not work out, I'm going to try the other style, and I'm going to be using this. So what I'm going to do first of all, because I'm going to try to get that style, I'm going to put the part here, because this is the side which I wear my hair on. All right, and instead of me braiding my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and give it some plaits. Oh, one thing to add as well, guys, you do not only have to plait the hair, you can twist it, or you can cornrow it as well, or braid it. All right, whichever one suits you, it's all up to you. But for me, I just want to do something real quick. Alright guys, so that's it with me and my granny plaits. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in to the roots with the olive oil, the coconut oil, I'm sorry. Alright, moist, right? Then now I have this shine and jam, so I'm going to set my edges, try to set them. So just in the event they want to make an appearance, I would have them under control. Alright, cool. Okay, so this, it comes with an opening. Alright, so I'm figuring this part here will go to the toppy, and this part would go around the circumference of my head. I see persons when they tie it, they cut it, but mine doesn't have much left out, so I won't cut it. Alright, so now I'm going to get into the hair. The hair has 3 parts. Guys, one thing which I just realized, like this, I don't want it to be exactly like this. I want it to have like a poofy, bouncy look. So what I'm going to do to open it, go fast. See? And it curled back up. If I take too long, it's going to be all trashy, and that's not what I'm looking for. So I'm just going to continue doing this all the way around. Alright guys, just giving you a little update so far. Bouncy and nice, right? Alright guys, so that's basically that for that. Now I'm going to do it here. I hope this works. It basically worked. Alright, so I think this is somewhat a bit wide right here, so I'm going to close it up a bit more. Alright, so of the pack I only have 3 left, so I have to be wise. So I put that there. I have 2 more. Alright, alright, alright. Ooh la la. Yes, guys, so that's it. That is it. So I got the style that I was looking for. Yeah. Oh, this one keeps coming over. I don't know. Probably it wants to be here. Probably. Not bad. Alright guys, so this is it. Well, I basically just put a pin here, but that's it. How do you like it? All dolled up and everything. I really love this hairstyle. It turned out just the way I had expected it, but I had another style in mind as well, which I think I'm going to be rocking. But if you love this, just give me a thumbs up, you know. Let me know what are your thoughts, and if you're gonna try it, let me know as well. And as I said, because it was coming around in my face too much, I just lost a pin right here, so it stayed in place. Still looking fly, right? Yes, so I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. Go ahead, hit the subscription button. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. All right, so take care. Thank you all for being here, and see you in the next video. Peace.